Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really excited to show you how to apply liquid concealer under your eyes and also as a highlighter. So I'm going to be using two different concealers, our fair nude and medium beige, just because that's like the perfect shade for my skin, but you can just use one if you prefer. I'm also going to be using a damp blending sponge. This one I wet completely and then wrung out really tightly. And then what I like to do is I actually like to take my concealer and instead of mixing it on the back of my hand for this, I like to just apply a few strokes here and there under my eyes. And you don't want to go too far up your eyes because that's just going to accentuate any under eye wrinkles that you have. So go pretty light under that or by that area. All right. And then also I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna run just a tad down my nose and right there, and then also a little bit on my forehead. And this is just going to give me like a pop of light right there. And a little bit really does go a long way with this concealer. All right, and now it's blending time. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my sponge, and under my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and start using a dabbing motion. So with this concealer, you don't want to use a smearing motion like back and forth hard against your skin. You want to actually press that in and blend it out like that. That just gives it a much nicer finish. And you can blend that out down your cheeks. And as you can see, like, look at how much that brightens up my eye area. It's just crazy, right? Same thing on the other side. Just really helps to make you look more awake. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend down the nose. Cupid's bow. And on our chin. And then again on the forehead, and just feather that out. Now, quick tip with your concealer. Anywhere that you're putting liquid concealer, you're going to want to set that with our pink veil. And that's this product right here. I like to use a clean angled blush brush, and I just put that and swirl that around and warm up those minerals, and then melt them onto my skin right where I applied that concealer. And just down my nose, my forehead, right there. Same thing on the other side. This just helps also keep your mascara from running, and it helps keep your concealer in place. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about concealer or anything, just reach out to me and I would love to help you out with that. Have a great day.